perfect retinues, and also the retinues of the audience of the Sambhogakaya Buddhas are all great bodhisattvas. There is no that is not both great bodhisattvas. So that means those great retinues are above the 7 bhumis. Above 7 bhumis. Almost they are going to get enlightenment. And the 10 bhumi, you heard these 10 bhumis? 10 bhumis, 8th bhumi, 9th bhumi, 10th bhumi bodhisattvas. They are surrounded by with that bodhisattvas. Surrounded by. So the perfect retinues. And the perfect teaching or the certainty teaching, that means always that, like that. There's nothing really going to be not like that. And so certain teaching, always teaching on the Mahayanas. Teachings on the Mahayana teachings. Absolute teachings of the Mahayana or the Vedayana teachings. Teachings. Always the highest teachings. So that is certainty. And then certain time, the teaching that is also always that teaching is continuing. Not just only once in a while, but teaching is continuing, unstoppable status. So that is really about the general explanation of the Sambhogakayas, 5 certainties. Now this applies to our mind, our nature of the mind. Or here, this one our nature applying, that this nature is as a display of the subconscious present 5 certainty states. Dwelling in the display of the certain states. And now, the perfect place for this, where this, again, if I talk with this, what is the perfect places of this? This time is also same way as generally 5 perfect places, but this time is the perfect place which is beyond the conceptions. Conception, there is no any kind, like as here, see here, this is the place. The essence at the beginning of this teaching, the essence, primordial, unchanging, changing, free from elaborations. That place, known as the Dharma Dhatu places. Perfectly that Dharma Dhatu, beyond the conception, beyond the fabrication, beyond anything, pure from beginning state. That great openness, that great infinite, that great freedom state is the perfect place. Perfect certainty places. Certainty place of certainty. And what is the teacher there? Who lives the teacher? The original Buddha. Here, again, who dwells as a youthful West body. The original, pure, profound clarity. As in this again, page 6, if we look at the second or third line here, dwells as youthful. That youthful West body is the original Buddha. And he is embodied of the 3 kayas. Embodiment of 3 kayas. This youthful body. That means, again, our innate nature, your innate nature, which is embodiment of 3 kaya, named as youthful wise body in the Dzogchen teaching many times. Or many times it is also named as self-born wisdoms. Self-born wisdoms. Innate nature, Vajra nature. That is the great Vajra teacher. Great primordial Buddha, which is residing right in your heart center. Center of the Dharma Dhatu, where there is beyond any fabrication places, residing right there, right here, with you. That is certain teaching. And now, who was surrounded by this? These teachers, perfect retinues, or the certain retinues. This certain retinue is the display of these primordial Buddhas. Buddha, all the five wisdoms, and five wisdoms, and display of the five wisdoms, sparking of the five wisdoms, glowing, shining of the five wisdoms. That is surrendered to this primordial Buddhas. This primordial Buddha of the youthful vast body or self-born wisdoms. What are five wisdoms? Many of you know already, but few of you don't know. I will again talk.